With Pacta COBOL, learn a language the world still needs today.
Why choose COBOL instead of chasing unstable trends like vibe coding? You've probably heard of vibe coding, flashy tools, hype-driven frameworks, fast turnover projects. But how many of those technologies will still matter in 5 years? Instead of investing your time in unstable trends, why not learn a language that's been running the core of global systems for decades, and still does? COBOL is everywhere, in banks, insurance systems, governments, and critical infrastructure. It's not trendy, but it's reliable, stable, and still in demand. That's why we created Pacta COBOL, a modern training program built for today's learners. No installation needed. Run code directly from your browser. Designed for beginners, with clear explanations and real-world examples. Learn at your own pace, with structured modules and practical exercises. Don't waste your time with short-lived tools. Learn COBOL, a language the world still needs. Visit Pacta COBOL website, cobolpacta.com.